Excuse me? Josh is one of the most decent people I know. Kung ganun, siguro dapat makakilala ka pa ng mas maraming tao. Tingin mo sa boyfriend mo isa. How dare you?
She's not my girlfriend. Wala ka talaga.
Hindi ko pa siya boyfriend. Kasi hindi ko pa siya sinasagot. Kasi ating pinagkiraman. Right, Josh?
Whatever. Yes. Order you, man.
Teka lang ah.
Ganyan pala. Cash or card yan?
Oh! Oh!
Gosh!
Oh my gosh! I'm so sorry! I'm so sorry, Stephanie! I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Share na lang.
Tulad. Samahan natin. Dali.
I'm really sorry!
Yan po lang.
Gamitin ang between